Hi everyone! Ahojte! Today in Linguarte, we're going to learn how to order at a restaurant in Slovak language. We are also going to teach you some useful phrases and vocabulary for the restaurant. If you like our videos and want to support our channel, make sure you click subscribe and turn on bell notifications. Also, check our website and follow us on our social media where you can see more interesting information about the Slovak language and our unique way to teach Slovak. Don't miss our courses. Finally, you can find a link in the description where you can download a document with this lesson and practices. Let's start. Začíname! The first thing when going to a restaurant is to order or be able to make a reservation depending on the type of restaurant. For that, we can use Hello, I would like to book a table at 19 o'clock. The reservation is for 2 people. Ahojte, chcela by som si rezervovať stôl na 19:00 o 7:00 večer. Rezervácia je pre 2 osoby. Thank you very much. Goodbye. Ďakujeme veľmi pekne. Do počutia. You can check this video to learn the numbers in Slovak language. If you're at a restaurant, you could say, do you have tables available? Máte voľný stôl? Hello. Could we have a table for 2 people? Ahojte. Mohli by sme mať stôl pre 2 osoby? Also, we have a reservation for 2 persons at 7 o'clock. Máme rezerváciu pre 2 osoby na 7. After sitting down at your table, usually you would see the menu at the table. If not, then you can tell the waiter or the waitress saying, "Excuse me, prepáčte," or "Pardon, could I see the menu, please?" Mohol by som vidieť menu? Mohla by som vidieť menu? The menu has the following parts: starters, prílohy, soups, polievky, main dishes, hlavné jedlá, salads, šaláty, desserts, dezerty, side dishes, prílohy, drinks, nápoje. If you would like to get the wine list, then could I see the wine list, please? Mohla by som prosím vidieť vínnu kartu? Other important questions in this moment are: what do you recommend? Čo mi odporučíte? What's this dish? Aké je to jedlo? If you don't understand something about the menu. To order, you can use one of the following phrases. I'll have the, dám si. For example, I'll have the soup. Dám si polievku. For my starter, I will have. Ako predjedlo si dám. For my main course, I will have. Ako hlavné jedlo si dám. Combining both sentences, we could say, for my starter, I will have the soup, and for my main course, I will have the chicken. Ako predjedlo si dám polievku a ako hlavné jedlo si dám kuracie. Among the most typical Slovak meals, we have brinzové halušky, dumplings with cheese and served with fried bacon on the top. Brinzové pyrohy, pierogies stuffed with brinza, a unique Slovak sheep cheese. Cabbage soup, called in Slovak kapustnica. Now it is time to enjoy your meal. For that we say bon appetit. Dobrú chuť. If you are asked if you would like something more, prinesiem vám ešte niečo, you can reply, not at the moment, thank you. Zatiaľ nie, ďakujem. But you actually might want something else, like some more bread, viac chleba. Prosím, jug of tap water. Pohár vody, prosím. Still or sparkling? Perlivá alebo neperlivá? To order the bill, we have these expressions. The bill, please. Účet, prosím. We would like to pay, please. Zaplatíme, prosím. Can I pay by card? Môžem platiť kartou. Can I pay with cash? Môžem platiť v hotovosti. It is common in Slovakia to leave a tip in Slovak. Prepitné alebo tringelt. Usually is the 10% of the bill. To show how you enjoy your Slovak meals, you can say thanks, that was delicious. Vďaka, bolo to výborné. Or veľmi chutné. And finally, to say goodbye. Dovidenia, pekný deň. Now, check the following dialogue at the restaurant. Dobrý večer. Dobrý večer. Máme rezerváciu pre 2 osoby na 7 hodinu. Meno prosím. Petra Nováková. Áno, tu máte stôl. Ďakujeme. Mohla by som vidieť menu? Nech sa páči. Čo si dáte? Dám si polievku a ako hlavné jedlo si dám brinzové halušky. A ako pitie? Červené víno, prosím. Very good. Try to practice and say the following sentences in Slovak language. I will have the cabbage soup, please. Dám si kapustnicu, prosím. We would like to pay, please. Zaplatíme, prosím. What do you recommend me? Čo mi odporučíte? Very well done. We hope you liked the lesson. Let us know in the comments what other phrases you would like to study. If you are interested in learning Slovak language in a modern way, visit our website to learn more about our courses. Continue practicing Slovak with other of our videos and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Ciao.